So, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are from Group 1. So, today we are going to present our insects. So, these are our member groups. Me, Hafiz, Amirul Ashraf, Shafiq, Rico, Raden, and Azra. So, our insect is bullet ants. Bullet ants, our common name or as known as 24-hour ants, and the lesser giant hunting ants. So the scientific name for the bullet ant is Paraponera clavata from family Formicidae and order Hymenoptera. So bullet ants can be found in the rainforest from Nicaragua to Paraguay. They build their nest in the trees, shrubs, and on the ground. So here's the map. So you can see the southern America. So they spread over here.
So next is life cycle. My name is Raden. So the life cycle of bullet ant is started from the queen ant. So once the queen is mature enough, so it will go out into the world and find a place to make a nest. Most queen like to make their nest at the bottom of trees or vines. The nest uh, of the queen makes extend up to 2 feet below the surface with numerous flat floor chambers and slightly domed ceiling. A bullet ant nest was discovered and founded have 43 separate chambers. As you can see in the picture, that is a bullet ant nest under a tree. So next, so once the queen bullet ant finds and create a nest, she start producing the colony. When the eggs are laid, they go through complete metamorphosis. The larvae then must prepare before becoming adults. The larvae tend to move to a warmer parts of the nest for optimum conditions to prepare. Though the eggs, larvae, and pupae develop normally when kept at uniform temperature. Scientists have observed ants moving large larvae and pupae to the warmest part of the nest, which speeds their development slightly. So this is the complete metamorphosis of ant. So uh, every ant have similar metamorphosis, but a slightly different.
Now I'll explain about feeding behavior. I'm Rico. The bullet ant has a boring diet. Workers mostly collect sugar water from the rainforest canopy, supplemented with chunky prey items like other ants and pieces of caterpillars. When they eat carbs, it's in the form of a liquid which they gather in a droplet held by their mandibles. When they get protein, it's in the form of a solid which they chomp and bite. They search for feed mostly at night.
Okay, I will continue with the anatomy and body design. The bullet ant is known as the world's largest ant by being 4 times the size of regular ants. Also, it has the anatomy of a regular ants, which is have a 6 legs, a head with a huge pair of jaws that called as mandibles, which are used for feeding, thorax and abdomen. The mandibles are, are not used for stinging. The length of regular worker bullet ant range from around 18 to 30 millimeter, and they seem to resemble reddish black wingless wasps. These ants are very huge in size and are sometimes referred to as a giant ant. A way to determine the difference between a regular ant and a bullet ant is that the bullet ants are relatively more hairy than regular ants. Bullet ants also have more reddish brown hair than the other ants. So this is the comparison between human hands and the bullet ants, as you can see at the picture.
All right. I will tell you about the fun facts regarding the bullet ants. Firstly, as mentioned before, bullet ants are very big compared to normal ants, which is they tend to be around 1.5 inches in length. And the reason why they're called bullet ants is because the sting that they cause, the pain of the sting is equal to being shot by a bullet. Because of that, they are nominated as one of three insects being in the level 4 of the Schmidt's pain index. This is because of paralyzing neurotoxic peptide called ponerotoxin. This pain will last from ranging around 12 to 24 hours, hence the name 24-hour ants. They can cause a lot of weird effects such as extreme pain, cold sweats, nausea, vomiting, and even abnormal heart rhythms. Uh, Also, when one of the bullet ants sting, they will cause other bullet ants in the vicinity to sting together. Due to this, the bullet ants is actually used in a tribal initiation of the indigenous tribe of the Satere Mawe, located in the Amazon rainforest. They will use the bullet ants as the initiation ritual for a boy to become a man. This initiation ritual will take around 10 minutes, and the initiation must be undergone for a total of 20 rituals.
Okay, now I'll be presenting about the enemies or parasites of this species. My name is Alfra Marini. Bullet ants enemy is the small 1.5 to 2 millimeter long for its fly. Apocephalus paraponere is a parasite of injured workers of bullet ants, of which the supply is constant because frequent aggressive encounters occur between neighboring colonies, resulting in maimed workers. The flies are able to parasite healthy ants if the ants are artificially restrained, but healthy ants are agile to able to repel them. Both male and female flies are attracted by the scent of injured ants. The female lay eggs as well as feed, and the male feed the possibly male with the female. The flies are attracted to a crushed ant within 2 to 3 minutes, and 10 or more flies may be attracted to each ant. Each ant can be harbor 20 fly larvae.
Right, that's all from us.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.